Hi everyone, my name is Naz. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at this cheap flexible tripod from Amazon. I purchased this tripod for my DSLR light. However, you can use this tripod for your phone, your action camera or GoPro, or you can use this for your camera. I don't think it will support a full-size DSLR camera. However, I think for your small compact cameras it will support it. But on the Amazon website it says it supports up to 1 kilogram of weight. A DSLR camera weighs less than a kilogram, but we'll test it out and see if it does work on a DSLR camera. So let's open the box and see what comes inside. So we get some paperwork, get the mount for the phone, get the mount for a action camera, get a remote control for the shutter, the tripod itself, the flexible tripod, and this is the screw for your action camera mount. Taking a look at the stand, as you can see it is flexible, so it can wrap around any object that you want. Or you can obviously use it as a stand. It is nice and sturdy, feels solid. These bits are a bit plasticky as expected from a cheap tripod, but this flexible legs are really strong and durable. It feels like it's really durable anyway, but the top part is plasticky, but that's to be expected. I'll put this to the side. I'll have to figure out how to connect this to my camera to see if the shutter remote actually works. So first let's try the tripod on a phone. As you can see, this is the phone attachment mount. It's a screw mount, so you have to actually unscrew it to fit your phone in. I've seen some of them where it's a spring-loaded mount. That would have been quicker and easier to put on. I don't know if this actually makes it more secure or it's just cumbersome to take on and off, but yeah, so now it's mounted onto the mount, and then now I can just quickly mount my phone onto the tripod itself. As you can see, there's a pad right at the bottom which you can use to securely mount your phone. It works well as a tripod. It feels like it's doing its job properly, but I think this will be perfect for an action cam, or will be perfect for an actual phone, and obviously you can use this as a selfie cam like so. Alright everyone, so now as you can see, the tripod can be used like a normal tripod, but obviously it's got the flexible legs, so you can bend it, twist the legs however you wish, and you can get your tripod positioned in any position that you want, whether you want it low or you want it higher, and you can do so. The other thing you can do with this is you can wrap it around other objects. Alright guys, so I'm using the flexible tripod right now to mount my light onto the camera setup that I have going on. As you can see, I can position the tripod in any position. So normally when I record a video, my light is attached to the camera hot shoe, but this way I don't need to attach it to the hot shoe. If I'm filming a shiny object, the shine won't show up because it will be off to the side. I think that's going to be really useful. This way I can just mount it off anywhere I want. And you might have noticed in my last video, reflections were showing up when I was filming a unboxing for my Samsung Galaxy A20e. Going forward on my videos, the reflection won't show up because I'll position the light off to the side. Alright guys, so now I have my full-size DSLR camera. It's a Nikon D610, and I also got my light supported on it. It is supporting the weight of the full-size DSLR camera, but I don't think I'll trust it. As you can see, it does shake, so I don't know if I'll trust it with this tripod. I think the legs themselves are sturdy, but the head itself isn't really well made. The head is not removable. You can remove it, but it doesn't have a mount to mount a different type of head on there. Alright guys, so what do I think of this cheap flexible tripod? I think it's definitely worth it for the money. If you don't have the money to purchase a Gorillapod or a higher end flexible tripod, I think this will definitely get the job done. If you're only looking to use it on an action camera, or if you're looking to use it on a light or a phone, I think this will definitely get the job done. For me, I'm going to be using this on my camera light to position my camera light off to the side so there is no reflections on my video. I think it's perfect for that. My camera light is cheap, this is cheap. If I had to use it on a more expensive device like my DSLR camera, I wouldn't trust it because the head isn't very well made. I think the legs are perfect. They are good. They're sturdy legs. They're built solid. I think that will last a long time. But I'll also trust it with my phone because my phone is really lightweight. I think this is more than enough to support my phone. Yeah, so if you're in the market for a cheap flexible tripod, this is the tripod for you. I've left links in the description. I really like this product. I think it was worth the money. Thank you for watching my video. Let me know what you think about the tripod. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more.